Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an outline to your picture on the Visoir application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, select a picture from your gallery, and after that you should slide to the right side till you find the outline option. Here you can select from a bunch of colors that you can choose from, and after selecting the relevant color you can adjust it by the help of this slide down below. And if you want to adjust the color, you can do so by tapping on the color itself, and then you will be directed to this page where you can select from the grid, the spectrum, or the sliders as well. So here you can customize your color. When you are done, just simply go back to the previous page and then click on the apply button in the upper right corner of the screen. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.